How you guys doing? This is a, I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a 15B. I got another one right there, right? See, that says American Flyer and all, and this one didn't. It was all rubbed off. Even the back plate was missing on this particular one, which was sad. But with the lettering gone, and I really wanted to see what I could find, so I thought I would get some of these gauges and put them in here and see what I could do with them. And it's still dirty because I just finished, but I just wanted to show you guys. And if you want me to post the parts and stuff like that, I can do that too. But I'm going to plug this in now, okay? I want to put an on-off switch on it too, but we'll get to that another time. So if the green light's on, right, it's plugged in. That's your signal. But the bar's up, so there's no power, right? But if I pull this bar down, whoa, what's that? That's 6 volts sitting at idle. Now, it takes a few seconds for it to fade because it's got a capacitor in there to help absorb that AC coming out. So I got to convert it from AC to DC. And as I ramp it up, as you can see, there's 30 miles an hour at 10 volts, 11 volts, 13, 15. Now, 20, I'm thinking, really? I'm thinking this is probably overreading, how many volts are really coming out. I'll put a real meter on it and verify what it says. But that supposedly is 22 volts to the track. But it's pretty smooth. I did a cleanup. I lined up the roller and everything. So I've got it where it works now. It's not on when it's off, and it's on when it's on. That's what it's supposed to be, right? So I'm really happy with how this unit is working, nice and smooth. It still has its circuit breaker. It's clean on the inside too. The wheel is nice and big. It's not too shrunken down. So I think this is going to work out just fine for our team over here that's going to have this new train. The next thing I'm going to do, I don't know if I'm going to do it on the inside or the outside or just as a separate piece, but I've got the schematic to create a horn button for these little soundboards that we can put in there. And by golly, I think I'm going to put a horn button in here or on the side or somewhere, I don't know, but I'm going to put a horn button on this thing so they can push that button and hear the horn. I think that'd be cool. Mowing down the road, you want to hit the horn, boom, boom, horn. Okay, or not the horn, steam whistle. Of course, it's a steam engine, right? Steam whistle, okay. Anyway, I thought this was really rad. Took me a while to figure it out. I got it going. I was going to have it 0 when it's on, and then it light up on 0, and then when you apply power. But it was just too complicated. I couldn't get it there from here. It was too. My brain was too small. So I accept the fact that we're going to have a green light, and that's going to say the power's on. Unplug it if you go into bed. Or maybe eventually I'll put a toggle switch in the back or up here. I don't know. I think a toggle switch is really, really good thing. At any rate, now when you're starting out, you can see, oh, look at that. I got some. I start with something and I'm taking off. Yes. Pretty cool. So let me know if you think you need to hear more about this, and I'll tell you what I did and where I got the parts and how I did it. But it was really, really fun. Okay, bye.